Your water heater is the only appliance you use in your house while you're naked. Think about it. When you step into the shower at your most vulnerable, you're trusting a box in your garage to deliver consistent hot water. Your dishwasher breaks, annoying. Your dryer dies, inconvenient. But your water heater fails mid shower, ruins your day. So, why would you settle for technology that wears out, companies with overseas call centers, and warranties full of fine print? You are vulnerable every time you shower. Your water heater shouldn't be. Switch to Optimal.